name is David Sengeh, and I'm from the MIT Media Lab, where I did my Ph.D. designing prosthetic devices. And my research there was at the intersection of medical imaging, design, and manufacturing, where we made comfortable prosthetic sockets for amputees who, more specifically, were below-knee amputees, people with below-knee amputations. I think ever since I was young, I wanted to study engineering. I wanted to do a STEM-related field, whether it was engineering or medicine. And I found bioengineering, which was at the intersection of both engineering and health-related design. Partly because I wanted to work on products that change people's lives. I knew with healthcare, the quality of life that people had was dependent on what solutions were available to them. And I also wanted to make stuff. I always liked tinkering and breaking stuff. And so a combination of both making and solving healthcare issues led me to bioengineering, and I've enjoyed it ever since. Probably is the learning that I get after something breaks, or figuring out something for the first time. Mostly whether I was trial and error, or whether I was asking questions that I did not know would lead to the answer that I was gonna get. I enjoy that element of discovering, but I also enjoy the moment when somebody uses a product that I have designed, when an amputee, when a patient wears my prosthetics and they feel like it was better. That moment is good, because it shows that the work that I was doing had value in other people's lives, and not just my life. I certainly enjoyed it, but I wanted other people to also enjoy it, and that value that you got from other people interacting with my solutions is something that I really, really love. I think my life is very much defined by the mentors that I've been interfaced with. You can pinpoint any segment of my life and there's a mentor to name. So from when I was younger, Dr. Boima was my uncle who allowed me to shadow him. From 10, 11, I'll go to the hospital and shadow him in the theater where he was doing surgeries. Paul Bottino at Harvard, listened to every new idea I had every week, all throughout college for 4 years. And some of those ideas became something, others of them didn't materialize, but he listened to me and introduced me and gave me to people that will help move my ideas along. Most important skill that I learned for my STEM career was learning how to ask good questions and learning how to learn. And ways in which I learned primarily were by hands-on doing, hands-on making. Other skill sets that remain useful is collaboration, I think, because if we want to push solutions forward, we often have to work in areas that are beyond the scope of our knowledge, and so we have to be able to collaborate with people in different fields. We have to be able to communicate our ideas very well, such that others can understand, and we have to be good listeners as well and good observers. But that's really just any scientist has to be a good observer. But I think communication and collaboration is stuff that people don't really think to support students to grow in, because they feel like that's not science. But at the end of the day, it is what will make the students become more able to push their ideas forward.